Hey, welcome back to You Gotta Try This. So it's our first time trying out a Universal Yum box. So it's a surprise. So our surprise is that it was from Greece. It comes with a book. And it's not just any book, but there's even like recipes that you can try out. Like it has everything. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? So you get a free recipe book when you purchase a Yum box.
And you get to do the Yum scoreboard.
Scoreboard.
Scoreboard. So in Greece, making baklava is often a family tradition passed down through the generations and eaten during the holidays, weddings, and festive occasions like Christmas and Easter. Making phyllo dough layers takes a lot of work, so it is not an everyday affair. This particular baklava is as traditional as it gets, with dozens of layers of phyllo dough and generous filling of chopped almonds, then doused with sugar syrup. I love baklava.
I've never had baklava.
En serio. Es muy delicious.
It looks very wet.
It's soaked with honey.
Okay. Let's see. Ready?
3, 2, 1. I love baklava. My sister, fun fact, just went to Tarpon Springs in Florida, and they had this little bakery there, and she brought me baklava because remember I liked it.
Tarpon swim.
Springs.
No, the tarpon's a fish. They swim at 3 Mach speed.
I don't know what that means.
Cam, what does 3 Mach speed mean?
Oh, I just hear Kevin say it.
Mach 3. I just hear Kevin say it all the time. About 2,200 miles per hour, faster than the speed of sound.
Literally same when I'm on the highway though.
I'm gonna give it an okay.
The next one is a serenata finger, milk chocolate wafer with cocoa cream. The ancient Greeks first started cooking crispy wafers, then obelios in BC 146. They would pour batter between 2 hot plates attached to wooden sticks akin to ancient Greek waffle irons, cooking the wafers to perfection before topping them with herbs and cheese. Fast forward 2,000 years to 1970 when the Greek company Tadas Bingo created their flagship product, Serenata wafer. Serenata quickly became one of the most famous chocolates in Greece, beloved for its simplicity and the quality of its milk chocolate filling. It has been a nostalgic treat for many, cherished by children and adults alike for over 50 years.
This is what I'm talking about. You gotta admit, this is the best chocolate we've had in any of the boxes.
I agree.
It does not taste like cardboard. You know what it tastes like? Panky. You ever had panky?
No. That's okay, because I'm not a big chocolate person. So I'll draw my little, and yours is going to be...
Can I eat the rest?
Yeah, yours is going to be wow, right? It is Tadas garlic bread chips. Bread chips with garlic flavor. Bread chips are the type of cracker made by drying or twice baking bread. This method has been used since the ancient times as a means of preserving bread by preventing it from going stale or moldy. Bread chips are an extremely popular snack in Europe, particularly Greece and Italy. Bread chips are also featured in a number of the classic Greek dishes, including the famous bacco salad, a dish from the island of Crete. These bread chips are flavored with a fragrant garlic and take cues from Italian-American style garlic bread. Enjoy these bread chips on their own as a crispy, salty snack, or dip them into tzatziki sauce or hummus for a delicious treat any time of the day. I love a bagel chip, bro.
That's a good one.
Yeah.
I can really see it being really good with like hummus or Like a charcuterie board.
Oh my god, the world loves a charcuterie board. I'm gonna give that a wow.
Me too. That was a good one.
This is the Krasinski Yusi Feta Reggiani. Breadsticks with feta cheese and oregano. So these crunchy breadsticks are emblematic of two of Greece's most enduring ingredients: salty feta cheese and fragrant oregano. Feta is traditionally made from the sheep's or goat's milk and is one of the oldest cheeses in the world, tracing its origins to ancient Greece some 6,000 years ago. In fact, Homer's Odyssey, written in the 18th century BC, describes one of its characters, the Cyclops Polyphemus.
I know him.
Okay. Making cheese from sheep's and goat's milk. Feta cheese doesn't last long outside the refrigerator, so these breadsticks use a special powdered form of feta that is shelf stable. Preservatives. Oregano, known as Reggiani in Greek, has also been used since ancient times as a culinary seasoning as part of medicinal remedies. In these mini breadsticks, oregano adds an herbal aroma that makes the snack positively addictive.
Cheers.
Oh, sorry.
I think it's okay for me.
Yeah, it's okay. I mean, I'd put it on a charcuterie board.
Yeah, I can see that.
Yum.
It's not bad. I don't taste the feta.
Very oregano-y and garlicky.
Yeah. Which is good for me because I actually don't like feta cheese.
I love feta. This is a fedon pitaki tahini. Tahini cream-filled cookie. A pitaki is a small pie made from flaky dough and stuffed with a sweet or savory filling. Stuffed pastries like pitaki date back to ancient Greece, but remain a popular street food today. This fedon pataki is filled with a sweet tahini cream. Tahini is a paste made from ground sesame seeds and dates back thousands of years, likely originating
She just had a stroke.
in the Middle East around the year 3500 BC. That's over 5,000 years ago. It has an exclamation point. So. Tahini has remained a staple in the Middle Eastern and Mediterranean cuisine, and it is used in a variety of both sweet and savory recipes, from hummus to candies. In this pitaki, the creamy tahini filling perfectly complements the buttery outer pastry. It's delicious alongside your morning coffee or as a sweet treat in the afternoon. Guess what time it is?
Tahini pitaki time. I feel like it's gonna make a mess. Okay.
No, I don't like it.
I had a bad feeling about this. What is this?
Oh, it's awful.
What is this? What?
That's coming from me, who likes the bird seed Spanish candy.
Holy.
That one for me is gonna be a. That's horrid.
So good, so legit.
We're halfway there. Ozu flavored hard candy. These hard candies are covered with ozu, an anise flavored liqueur. Ozu is a national drink of Greece, commonly enjoyed during social gatherings and celebrations. Ozuris are cafes that are entirely dedicated to serving this Greek liqueur alongside small dishes of salads, octopus, sardines, and other Greek-style tapas. Ozu was patented as a Greek alcoholic beverage in 1989, meaning that it must be made and produced in Greece using traditional methods to be labeled authentic. She's gonna love it.
I'm already like nauseous.
Love anise.
It just tastes like black licorice.
Well, anise is the foremost flavor of other herbs and spices like fennel, cardamom, and cinnamon are also sometimes used in the distillation process for added flavor. Transforming this special liqueur into a non-alcoholic candy form means that ozu can be enjoyed by everyone. Oizen candies are quintessentially a Greek treat, available everywhere in Greece.
You like black licorice?
I love black
So you're gonna love this. Because that's why I hate anise.
I was not expecting it to be white.
I was not either. I expected it to be brown or black. I can smell it. It's black licorice all day. Nope. I'm so sorry. Oh God.
Your son wanted this.
Horrid. That's my rating. Horrid.
I like it.
My son can have that.
I like it a lot.
Yeah, that's disgusting.
I'm gonna put a wow. I enjoy. Pomegranate flavored jelly candy. Before high fructose corn syrup and natural sweeteners like dates, figs, quince, and honey were used to make sweet treats, Cocos pomegranate jelly candies are an homage to traditional Greek confections. Featuring a tart pomegranate in these squishy sugar-dusted candies, beyond their culinary usage in a sweet, savory dish, pomegranates hold a rich significant in Greek culture, symbolizing abundance, good luck, and fertility. However,
careful with these.
You don't have a baby. At New Year's, pomegranates are smashed on the ground for good luck. The more seeds that come out, the better fortune that come.
If somebody smashes a pomegranate at my house,
murderers
on New Year's, I'm gonna be like, clean it up.
The Athens-based Cocos Company, established in 1948, supplies sweet Greek-inspired treats both locally and globally. These tart and fruity jellies are perfect as a palate cleanser.
I need that.
After a meal, or shared as a Greek gesture of hospitality with friends and family. I'm thinking shared like
palate cleanser after an Ozo. That's what it should have said.
Ooh.
These are thick.
These are nice. I shook on it.
Okay. I'll put the whole thing in my mouth.
Ooh.
Wow, that's a good jelly.
That is another wow for me.
That's a wow. I expected it to be like I thought it was going to be like a Starburst looking thing.
Breadsticks with crunchy cornflakes. These breadsticks are made from a blend of wheat and corn, then coated in crunchy golden cornflakes. While breadsticks are generally attributed to an Italian cuisine, Greece has its own version called Kritsiania. Greeks have been making bread since ancient times, and their cuisine boasts in many types of traditional breads. In ancient Greece, bread was a common offering to Demeter, the Greek goddess of harvest, as she was the one who taught humans how to use wheat to make bread. Accordingly, the first loaves of each new harvest were traditionally dedicated to her in thanks for a bountiful crop. We know here on this channel, there's only one God. Jesus Christ is our Lord and Savior.
Oh, I bit my tongue. I definitely can taste that corn.
I think this is just okay for me. Like, it's not bad. I mean,
it's rubbing off on me.
You like it? So is this a wow or okay?
This might be a wow.
Really?
It's not that. The more I eat it, the more I'm like,
Okay.
I dig it. With some like marinara sauce or something.
Oh, we love a marinara.
I'm not mad about it.
I like it. I mean, I would eat it with the side of something.
It needs something. Yeah. Because it's very dry. I mean,
solo? No.
Exactly. Yeah, I agree.
Grape must cookie ring. Folks don't often use the word musty to describe good things.
Ew. Sorry.
But we're confident we found the exception. These soft cinnamony cookies are made with grape must, a thick texture created from freshly pressed juice, skins, seeds, and stems of the grape, usually prepared as the first step of winemaking. Wild dry.
I don't like it. I had a bad feeling about this. With a name like with must.
But they're confident. They said that they were confident that this is an exception.
Well, the name with must on it, it's just Never
I'm gonna have to
work.
say that's horrible.
Musty.
It really isn't good.
Oh, that was bad.
No bueno. Orange and peanut soft nougat. In Greece, nougat is called mandolato. It's been enjoyed for centuries as part of holidays and celebration. This particular nougat combines two distinct flavors, peanut and orange. The combination of soft, chewy candy and crunchy nuts works particularly well.
It's the peanut, actually, I don't really like. That was weird.
Why is it foamy in my mouth?
Yeah. That's a no.
Lokomi is a sweet treat that was created in the Ottoman Empire in the 18th century. You may already know it as Turkish delight. This Ottoman Empire was based in modern-day Turkey and ruled over Greece for nearly 400 years. Originally, lokomi was made with just water, sugar, and starch, but over time, many flavors were added, including pistachio, lemon, and rosewater. It's been served in that messy way for centuries, and still to this day, as you'll experience the second you open the package. No.
Mm-mm.
Ew.
I'm shaking.
Mm-mm. No.
The texture's just wild to me.
Why is it that way? And then they add a pistachio. I'm gonna go to say that's horrid for me.
I don't like it.
And horrid for you.
It's like if it was supposed to be like a gummy bear texture, but it melted in the car.
Eek. Well, all in all, Greece, I do feel a little let down.
I think there were some good ones.
There was definitely some good ones, but I feel like I wish I liked your sweets better. Now, when I tell you y'all kill a baklava, I mean, but that Turkish delight situation, leave it in Turkey. Don't put your claim to that.
That was wild to me. But the serenata, the chocolate finger, what's it called? Like a chocolate finger?
Mm-hmm.
Amazing. Yeah. That gave me like childhood nostalgia.
For savory, the bagel.
That was surprisingly good.
Red
it's
chip.
So crispy.
And
so good.
Seasoned with garlic and heavenly delicious.
That was good. I actually love that breadstick. I'm about to get another breadstick.
The breadstick was okay.
That was pretty good.
So, all in all, do you believe that your original score?
Oh, yeah. Hands down. Look at how our score ended up.
My hand behind it. Yeah.
It's pretty good. Hey. Join us on our next adventure, wherever that may be, when we open another Universal Yum box. Goodbye. Bye-bye now.